Hey all, righto. So the tracks arrived from Germany for the next layout, so that'll be probably near the end of 2024, I guess. It'll be in some form of build. Um, so to give you a bit of a comparison, this is their wooden sleepered. That's their steel sleepered, so wooden, steel, and concrete. Now, as you can see, the spacings are really good. And for comparison, there is PECO code 83, and you can see they're as they should be too for North American. But I reckon these are damn close for Aussie track, right? And then if you look at the points that they produce, and it's not to say that Tilly doesn't do that, they produce some fantastic points. This is effectively code 75, and this is obviously PECO code 83, and that's their biggest point. As you can see, the German one is ginormous, but the detail they've gone into here, you can see there's no join between the blades and then the closure rails and then the frog. So it's fantastic. I'm not quite sure about whether these are applicable to that. With the two sleepers close together. Obviously, that's a German prototype. And then if you look underneath it, it sort of looks a bit like this. All right. But it is pretty awesome. I'm very happy with it. I think it will pass for ultra modern Australian track. And if we get up to the sides here, this is what I really liked about it, is the standoffs on the track. See that? It's really cool. And I'm not quite sure if you ever get a better rendition in scale, HO, of steel sleepers. The concrete, again, we can have a look at that. There we go. I've got to try it. So this will go on to the next layout, and this will be for ultra modern. So I've got enough points here to do the yard and the main line, etc. So, and I'll just, here we go. That's the mob there. Okay, and this is a box of concrete track. Okay, but I thought I'd give you a comparison there. I'm reasonably happy with that. I think it'll do fine, and we'll see how this goes on the next layout. Oh, by the way, you can use PECO track joiners, the fine scale ones. No dramas, I'm told. Anyway. All right, and there's also detail stuff as well that if you really need to, you can detail these points up. But what I'm going to do for these is that I'll basically make them concrete points. I think they're more than fine to convert to concrete. Yes, really no dramas. All right, have a good one. Cheers.